broke her vase. Wait, she's not here. I can blame it on my brother.
What happened to my vase? He did it. It's all his fault. I can't believe you did this. Look at what you did.
It was not me.
It's my favorite vase. Do you know who gave this to me?
No.
Your grandmother gave this to me. Why did you do this to my vase? This was my favorite. Looks like you have something to say.
I broke the vase. It wasn't him. It's all my fault.
I know.
You knew the whole time? Why didn't you say anything?
I wanted to give you the chance to tell the truth on your own. And you did. I'm disappointed that you broke the vase and you lied about it. And there will have to be some consequences. But I'm proud of you for telling the truth.